Hey guys, I just want to make a quick video showing you or walking you through how to use our digital Cornell notes for those of you that are distance learning today. So here are the totals notes that you're going to take, and just a reminder, you don't have to write any of the stuff at the beginning, um, nor any of the questions, just the definitions for each letter, what it stands for and what it means. And you do that on your digital Cornell notes. So you open this up, and mine looks a little bit different. You guys will open up the document and then click edit, so it makes your own copy. And then for right now, all I want you to worry about is filling out the top. The topic is totals. And then don't worry about anything with the interactive column, and don't worry about anything with the summary. Okay? All I want you to do is worry about this notes section. All of the definitions of each letter will go in this notes section. So T stands for title. You'll put title down and you'll say what a title is. Okay? And then you'll give yourself a little space between each slide, um, and and then you can move on to the next letter. So just put everything in this notes section, nothing in the interactive column. And there's a second page as well if you need to go on to that. Okay, so hopefully that helps. Have a great day.